Hey guys, today we are at the Community Village Gym. I mean, as you can see, there's not a lot of stuff here. I mean, there's not a lot of dumbbells. It's pretty important for your longevity and for your own well-being that you have some sort of weights, and you can do a lot of exercises if you just have two 10-kilo dumbbells. However, there's absolutely no dumbbells here, but there is about 400 kilos of Olympic weight plates, and there's an Olympic bar. You can do a heck of a lot with that. You can train almost every body part just with the bench press and a couple of squat racks. You can just about have a really good workout. Let's check it out. I think that's a female Olympic bar. All right, I've got to go get a tetanus shot now. If you were to go on a marketplace, you could buy a much better squat rack system than this, $50. Bench press, you could probably buy all this gear for $100. You just have to add the weights. I would recommend buying a brand new barbell so you don't get this, you don't have to go and get your tetanus shot.
Hooray for tetanus.
And get yourself some dumbbells. It's really hard to do a lot of exercises. Military press with a barbell. It's really hard to isolate your delts. Actually, I didn't do upright rows. That's a really good one. All right, I take back what I said. This will get you really square shoulders. Cross River. This building's not very closed up.